Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem PlayStation gift card if code is scratched. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a PlayStation gift card if the code is scratched, the first thing that you need to do is do not try to scratch it any further. Avoid scratching too hard, like it may damage the code completely, and next method is check the card packaging or email. Some physical cards include the code on the receipt or in the original packaging. If it's an e-gift card from Amazon or another retailer, check your email for the code. The next is to contact the retailer. If the code is unreadable and you have a receipt, contact the store or website where you purchased the card and provide the gift card serial number, usually on the front, the receipt or proof of purchase. And then, if that doesn't work, you can always contact PlayStation support. If the retailer cannot help, contact PlayStation support at PlayStation support website. Simply tap on the horizontal bar on your home screen, then select support. And here what you need to do is select subscriptions or store. Then you'll find an option where you can simply call the US number, which is 1-800-345-7669, and provide them the gift card serial number, receipt or proof of purchase, and any details about the purchase date or retailer. PlayStation can sometimes issue a replacement code if the card is valid and purchased legally. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.